Welcome to MaidCV.com. Please introduce yourself.
I am Nena Junio Galapon, 43 years old. I'm from Philippines and I'm married. I have 2 kids.
Okay. Where are they now, your children?
My kids is in the Philippines right now.
In Philippines. Who's taking care of your children?
My mother and my sister.
Okay. So when would you be able to start working?
My visa will expire on the 5th of October, so
5th of October. So after October 5,
after October I'll be available.
you don't have to go back to the Philippines?
My employer won't allow me to transfer, so most possibly I will travel to Philippines. I think I'll stay for a week or a month. It depends.
A week or a month. But do you have relatives here? Because
yes, I have my sister and my husband is
and
here.
your husband. Okay, so it's not going to be a problem to come back. Okay, so please describe your present job. What are you doing right now with your present employer?
I'm working here as an all-around
housekeeping.
iron, clean, taking care of the children, at least attending at their needs.
How many children are under your care?
They have 5 kids. They have 5 kids, but I'm taking care of for the 4. The youngest one at least help only. Mostly for the 3 kids, I am the one responsible.
So you're looking after 3 kids.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are your duties and responsibilities? What do you usually do? Your daily responsibilities for the family.
Daily responsibilities, when I wake up in the morning, I prepare breakfast and then going sending it up because they're living in a villa. From there, I prepare the breakfast table and then the lunch bags for the kids, waking them up, preparing their uniforms, shoes, see to it that they're eating their breakfast before they leave for school, and then sending them to school. After that, I prepare for lunch, prepare lunch box for my sir.
Okay.
And then the afternoon, I'll just take my I'll just take my rest, and then taking the kids from school again.
Okay.
I send and I take them. Then at night also I prepare if there's things to wash or things to iron. And then at the same time, I prepare their food at night.
So which part of the house do you clean daily?
Mostly kitchen, sitting area.
Kitchen
sitting area.
Sitting area. So how about the toilet? How often do you clean the toilet?
The toilet here down is every Friday because we are two
so
here.
You have schedule.
Yeah.
So you clean the toilet every Friday only?
Every Friday.
Okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
I just tell them to come back, or I will call my boss if there's any. It is important deliveries. And if he said yes, he will give me an authority to accept the package. I sign the message and then keep the box on their room.
Okay, you said a while ago you cook for the family.
Yeah.
What kind of foods you can cook?
Arabic.
Mostly Arabic.
Mostly Arabic. Or sometimes pasta, Italian pasta.
Yeah, pasta. Okay. Which activities do you perform with kids?
I play with them.
You play with them?
Yeah.
Okay, what do children like best about you?
Best about me? Being makulit.
Okay, you're friendly to the children.
Yeah.
And you're a happy person. Okay. So if one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what are you going to do?
Attend them first. Give them first aid. If there is wound or some, or just let them rest for a while.
So, as a nanny, could you say no to a child?
I must if it is needed.
Good. So, you have to say no sometimes. If it is
Yeah.
hard for them, you have to say no. Okay. The child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have her dinner at 6 p.m. During
Yeah.
those 3 hours, what will you do to entertain the child?
Oftentimes they're doing they're playing with their iPad. If not, we just walk around the house, play with the bike while I'm running after them, just like top four.
Okay. So, what kind of a housemaid and nanny are you? Describe yourself. What qualities do you have?
What qualities I have? I am strict nanny at the same time maluwag. I'm very attentive. I am ibig sabihin ang tawag dito if they give me certain task, I do it
On time.
on
You do it
time.
on time.
Uh,
Okay.
Then I don't break the rules. If the mom said do these things, the baby said no. My mom said it's okay. No, I must ask first.
Okay, so you follow instructions from your employer.
Yeah, even I fight with the kids.
Okay. So give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
If you think I am able to do your if they think that I am capable of doing the things for their houses and taking care of their kids, why not hire me? At least try me.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from maidcv.com. Thank you, Nana.
Thank you.